Hey guys, in this video, we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best impact drivers that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based on my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions, and more. If you want to see more information and the updated price, you can check out the description below. Also, make sure to subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the DEWALT 20V Max Impact Driver DCF787D1. DEWALT Impact Driver is a powerful tool designed for your projects. With dimensions of 14.99 L x 12.219 W x 6.99 H inches and weighing 5.84 pounds. This impact driver is compact and easy to handle. The package includes a battery and charger, giving you the convenience of a complete set. As an impact driver, it is perfect for driving screws and fasteners with precision and speed. The DEWALT Impact Driver is your go-to tool for efficient drilling tasks. Moving on, at number 4, we have the Milwaukee 295320 Impact Driver. The Milwaukee Impact Driver is a powerful tool that enhances your productivity on the job site. With the fastest driving speed in its class, it maintains excellent control and power. The smooth acceleration feature prevents screw stripping and material damage, ensuring precision in your work. The Tri-LED lighting maximizes visibility in your workspace, allowing you to work efficiently in dimly lit areas. Additionally, the 4-mode drive control offers versatility for various applications. Experience 2,000 nlbs of torque for tackling tough tasks effortlessly with the Milwaukee Impact Driver. At number 3, we have the DEWALT 20V Max XR Impact Driver. The DEWALT 20V Max XR Impact Driver is a powerful and versatile tool that is perfect for all your fastening needs. With its brushless motor, it delivers an impressive 1825 nlbs of torque and 3400 RPM, allowing you to drive large diameter screws with ease. Whether you're working on a construction site or doing some DIY projects at home, this impact driver can handle it all. The variable speed trigger and 3-speed setting give you pro-level control and precision, allowing you to adjust the speed to match the task at hand. Additionally, the integrated 3-LED work light brightens up work areas, making it easier to see in low light conditions. With 30% more torque, this impact driver is ready to tackle even the toughest fastening applications. At number 2, we have the BLACK+DECKER 20V Cordless Impact Driver Kit. The BLACK+DECKER 20AV Cordless Impact Driver Kit is a powerful and convenient tool for your DIY projects. Its compact and lightweight design reduces muscle fatigue, while the quick-release chuck allows for fast and easy bit changes. The high-performance transmission can power up to 1,375 nlb of maximum torque, 3,000 RPM, and 3,900 IPM. The soft touch grip enhances comfort and reduces fatigue. In addition, the Power Connect battery system is interchangeable, which means you can use one battery for multiple different tools. The kit includes the impact driver, battery, charger, and screw driving bit. And finally, at number 1, we have the Greenworks 24V Cordless Impact Driver Kit. The Greenworks Impact Driver Kit offers powerful performance with its efficient brushless motor, delivering an impressive 1950 nlbs of torque and 2600 RPM. This means you can tackle demanding jobs and fastening tasks with ease. The variable speed trigger gives you the flexibility to adjust speed according to your needs, ensuring precision in every application. Its lightweight and compact design makes it perfect for working in tight spaces, allowing you to maneuver easily without compromising on power. Plus, the built-in LED work light brightens up your workspace, making it easier to see what you're doing even in dim conditions. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.